In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Microsoft Bookings so you can quickly set up simple meeting types, adjust when you're available, and share your booking links with others. We'll keep things straightforward and practical, so by the end, you'll be ready to use it for real meetings. Let's start with creating a meeting type, since that's the core of how Microsoft Bookings works. Once you're in the Bookings interface, look for the option to add a new meeting. You'll usually see a plus sign or a button that clearly indicates creating something new. Go ahead and click the plus sign to add a brand new meeting type. When you create this meeting, give it a clear and specific name so people instantly know what it's for. For example, you might call it 30-minute thesis sync if you're meeting with students, or 30-minute project check-in if you're working with colleagues. The exact name is up to you, but keep it descriptive. This title is what your invitees will see, so it's worth taking a moment to choose something that reduces confusion and sets expectations about what the meeting is about and how long it will last. Next, let's talk about availability, because that's what controls when people can actually book time with you. By default, Microsoft Bookings uses the work hours from your Outlook calendar. That means if you've already set your standard working schedule in Outlook, Bookings will automatically follow those same hours. This default is helpful if your schedule is pretty consistent and you just want your booking page to match your normal workday. However, there are many times when you might want booking times to be more specific. For example, maybe you only want this particular meeting type to happen on Tuesday and Thursday afternoons, or you want to block off certain days during busy periods. In that case, look for the option that says use customized availability hours. When you select customized availability, you can choose the exact dates and times when this meeting type can be booked. Take your time here and think about what realistically works for you. It's usually a good idea to leave some buffer in your calendar so you're not booked back to back all day. You can dedicate certain time windows to these meetings, like 1 or 2 afternoons a week, and keep the rest of your schedule free for focus work or other commitments. After you've set up at least one meeting type and configured the availability, you're ready to share it with others. On each meeting card, you'll see a share icon. Click that share icon, and Microsoft Bookings will generate a unique link for that specific meeting type. Once you've copied this link, there are a few easy ways to use it. You can paste it into your email signature, so anyone you correspond with can book time with you without going back and forth to find a slot. You can also send the link directly to someone in an email or message when you're trying to schedule a meeting with them. Just paste the link into your message, and the other person can pick a time that works from the options you've already defined. I'll show you the easiest way to wrap this up. Create your meeting type, confirm your availability, then copy and share that link wherever it's most convenient. With those simple steps, Microsoft Bookings turns scheduling from a manual back and forth into a quick self-serve experience for the people you work with, while still keeping you in control of when you're available.